Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Vaishnavi teacher. Today we are going to see maths lesson number 4, subtraction. This is the part of revision. Already we see third digit subtraction. Now here one problem is there. There are 452 teak trees and 321 neem trees in a forest. How many more neem trees must be planted in order to have the same number of neem trees as teak tree? So here we have to subtract 321 from 452. So let's see how we will subtract 321 from 452. We will start from unit place. From unit place we will start to subtracting 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, there is the remain 1. 5 minus 2 remain 3 and 4 minus 3 remain 1. So here we get 131 more neem trees have to be planted. More neem trees have to be planted. Like this way, one more problem is there. Ajay has collected 207 seeds while Vijay has collected 165 seeds. How many more seeds does Ajay have than Vijay? Here we can find the answer by doing the following subtraction. 207 minus 165. Let us subtract 5 units from 7. First we will start from unit place. And we will 5 subtracts from 7. So 7 minus 5 remains 2. We cannot subtract 6 tens from 0 tens. We can't subtract 6 tens from 0 tens. However, we have 200 of which we can borrow 1. From 0 can't subtract 6. So we are taking 100 borrow from 200. So here remain 1. 100 remains in 100 place and 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal with 10 tens. Now we are subtracting 6 tens from 10 tens. 10 minus 6 remain 4. Now 100 place there is a 1 minus 1, so remains 0. Now subtract 100 from 100, 0 remains. The answer is 42. Ajay has 42 more seeds than Vijay. Now we are seeing the exercise arrange vertically and subtract. Here the first problem is 586 minus 425. Arrange vertically. This given in horizontally. Now we are arrange it vertically and solve this problem. The number is 425 from 586. So first we will start from unit place. 6 minus 5 remain 1. 8 minus 2 remains 6. 5 minus 4 remain 1. The second one, 465 minus 179. This is also given in horizontally. We are writing this one in vertically and solve it. So write upside big number, that is 465 from subtract 179. 179 subtracting from 465. So as usual we are starts from unit place. Here upside number is 5 and that from 5 we are subtracting 9. 5 is smaller than the 9, so it is not possible. So we are taking 1 tens from this place, and 1 tens means 10 units, 10 units, and these 5 units means total 15 units. 15 units minus 9 remain 6. This 6 tens give 1 here, so here remain 5. 5 minus 7, again it is impossible, so we are taking 1 from 100 place. 400 gives 100 to us. 100 it is equal with 10 tens. So now here over 15 tens. 15 tens minus 7 remain 8. 400 give 100 here, so here remain 300. Now 300 minus 1 remain 2. So answer is 286. Third one, 554 minus 351. Upside we are writing big number, that is 542 minus 351. 2 minus 1 remain 1. Now 4 tens minus 5 tens. 4 is smaller than 5, so it is not possible. So we are taking 1 from 100 place. 100 give to 1 tens place, so here over 14 tens. Now 14 tens minus 5 remain 9. 500 give 100 here, so here remain 400. 400 minus 3 remain 1. The fourth one, 745 minus 287. 5 minus 7 impossible. 5 is smaller than the 7, so we are taking 1 tens from the tens place. Here 4 tens. 4 tens give 1 tens here, so here over 15 units and remain 3 tens. 15 units minus 7 remain 8 units. Now 3 minus 8, it is impossible, so taking 1 from the 100 place. Now here over 13 tens. 13 tens minus 8 remain 5. Now 100 place remains 6. 6 minus 2 remain 4. Fifth one, 500 minus 365. This vertically we are arranging, it is horizontally we are arranging, it is vertically. So vertically write up big number, that is 500 minus 365. Now 0 minus 5 impossible. 0 is smaller than 5, so we are taking 1 from here, but here 1 also 0, so we go to 100 place, take 1 from 100 place, and now here over 10 tens. Now 10 tens give 1 tens 2 units, so here over 10 units. Now 10 units minus 5 remain 5. 10 tens give 1 10 here, so here remain 9 tens. 9 tens minus 6 remain 3. Here 500 give 100 here, so here remain 400. 400 minus 3 remain 1. So our answer is 135. Sixth, 502 minus 307. 502 is a bigger number, so 703 we are subtracting from 502. So write vertically 502 minus 307. 2 units minus 7 unit, it is impossible. 2 is smaller than the 7, so we are taking 1 tens from the tens place. So here over 12 units. 12 units minus 7 remain 5. 10 tens give 1 here, so here remain 9 tens. 9 tens minus 0 remain 9. Here is 0, so first we are taking 100 from the 100 place. So here remain 400. 400 minus 300 remain 100. So our answer is 195. This is for the homework. Solve this in notebook.